Now let's solve for x cube minus y cube here, given 6x squared minus 6y squared equals 66. Now, looking at this one carefully, you could see that we have 6 common here, okay? So without wasting time, I will just take the 6 out. So from there I can say 6 out, x squared minus y squared equals to 66. Okay, now we can divide both sides by 6. So dividing both sides by 6 will cancel 6, and it will go in 66 11 times. So my next step will be x squared minus y squared equals to 11. As simple as that. Now, the left hand side is a typical difference of two squares. Okay, so we can say x plus y, x minus y. Or you can start with x minus y before that. You get the same thing, equals to 11. Now, we have something times something, okay? Alright, so we can say AB. So A times B equals to that. So let's express the right hand side in the form of this, following the condition here. Now, 11 can be 1 times 11 or 11 times 1. So let's observe this. Now, x plus y and x minus y. So x plus y should be more than x minus y. Why? Because this side is positive and this side is negative. So even if x is 2 and y is 3, so once you plug in 2, 3, this side will be 5, this side will be negative 1. When x is 1, y is 1, this side will be 2, and this side will be 0. So in whatever way, this side will be more than this side. And therefore, we state that the first term should be more than the second term. Now, with that, we say 11, which is 1 times 11 or 11 times 1, will be written in the form of this. Okay, so x plus y, x minus y, the same as 11 times 1. Okay, so when we compare, we have the bigger side, x plus y, as 11. So let's name it equation 1, and the smaller side, x minus y, is 1. Equation 2. So how do you solve for x cube minus y cube? Now, to solve for this, you need to add the two equations. The idea is to get rid of the y here because we have plus y minus y. So adding equation 1 and 2, that will be 2x. So x plus x is 2x, and this one will cancel, and 11 plus 1 is 12. So x is 12 on 2, which is 6. So when x is 6, remember x minus y is 1. So when x is 6, 6 minus y is equals to 1. 6 minus 1 equals to y. Therefore, y is 5. So 6 plus 5 is 11, and 6 minus 5 is 1. As simple as that. So let's code this one: x cube minus y cube, x cube minus y cube. X is 6 and y is 5. So 6 cube minus 5 cube. So 6 is 36 times 6, 3. So we have 216. So 125. So 216, 125, 111, 9. So we have 91 as the answer. All right. Subscribe for more videos. All right.